Cheeky! Long! Unify! Water Dragon! Ladybug! It'll be Dragonbug to you, Chloe.
A few extra powers aren't going to save you, you know. In a few moments, when the old Guardian is too weak and his shield is broken, I'll force him to tell me your secret identities. And it will all be thanks to Ladybug. She led you all to your own doom.
He's trying to divide you. Don't listen to him. I chose you both for a reason. Stay united.
It's us against the world.
As always.
Ladybug and I never fight each other. We fight together.
Welcome to your doomsday, Hawk Moth.
You fools! It's time to take action, my queen!
On guard, my guards!
Uproar! Voyage! Second chance!
Viperion is by far the most dangerous. You focus on him. Be careful, Cat.
Got it! Cataclysm! Second chance! Got it! Cataclysm! Second chance! Got it! Cataclysm!
Looks like you forgot about me, but I didn't. Useless! That snake is utterly useless! Cat Noir, it's your turn!
Sass, Plague, unify! Second chance!
Stop him!
Dragonbug, it's an illusion!
No!
Ladybug! Dragonbug, they're illusions! Dragonbug, they're illusions! Dragonbug opening there!
Pathetic. Is that honestly how you think you're... Long! Cheeky, divide!
Sass, Plague, divide!
No more evil doing for you, little Akuma. Time to de-evilize! Gotcha! Bye-bye, little butterfly.
Told you! Welcome to your doomsday, Hawk Moth!
Hawk Moth is our enemy, Chloe! He can't get a hold of the Miracle Box! I'm not on your side anymore! How many times have I asked to fight alongside you? And how many times have you refused to give me back my Miraculous? How many, huh? Hawk Moth isn't my enemy, he's yours! And the Miracle Box is mine! Chloe, no, don't do that! Oh, yes, I will. I am going to be the most powerful Miraculous wearer there ever was!
I don't even need to do anything! I knew you were one of us, Chloe Bourgeois!
Well, what are you waiting for? Transform me! She doesn't even know our names! And you didn't give the right commands! Or say please, for that matter. I am your queen! The queen of the Miraculous! I command you to tell me how to proceed!
There's nothing you can do anyway. I already won. It's moments before that shield caves in. Then the Guardian will be at my mercy. Your friends are about to transform back. You're on your own. Checkmate, Ladybug.
I still have one move left, Hawk Moth. Lucky Charm! A keyring? What am I supposed to do with this?
Nothing! There's nothing you can do. My plan was perfect. You can't beat me.
I can't figure it out.
Focus. You can do it.
I'm sorry. I'm so useless. If I hadn't forgotten to de-transform myself to go see Master Fu,
Ladybug, no.
Hawkmoth wouldn't have taken him hostage. He wouldn't have taken the Miracle Box. I'm the worst Ladybug that has ever existed.
Ladybug, you are the best Miraculous holder I've ever met. You made mistakes, but who hasn't? What matters is to fix them. You always miraculously knew how to fix everything, right?
But what should I do, Master?
You hold all the keys, Ladybug. You always have. And you will be the most magnificent of guardians.
What?
Master, no! Don't do it!
I, Wang Fu, hereby relinquish the Miracle Box and name Ladybug the new Guardian.
No!
Master.
No! It's my Miracle Box! Mine! I'm the Guardian! I'm the Queen! Hawkmoth, tell him to give me my box back!
How disappointing.
I'll take care of them. You take care of the box.
Sorry, but I think this belongs to me now. I don't need all those stupid Miraculous anyway. I only need the Queen Bee. Besides, you're lame, and Paris is lame. I'm going to New York with Mommy, and I'll be the one and only Queen Bee there, and I'll save the world all by myself, without you and your ridiculous, poorly chosen friends. Utterly poorly chosen. I'm sorry, Chloe, but I can't let you do that. Well, if that's the way it is, I'm no longer your fan, Ladybug. I don't love you anymore, and I'm still going to leave with Mommy anyway because you don't deserve to breathe the same air I do.
Sorry, couldn't catch up with them.